Morning student. Today we will see about the carbon compound, that is methane. In last lecture I taught you the uses of carbon dioxide, some and what are the properties of carbon dioxide. In this lecture I tell you about methane. So what is methane? The molecular formula is CH4. It means C means carbon, H means hydrogen. So one carbon atom and four hydrogen atom. The molecular mass of methane is 16. So where it present, methane occurs in natural gas to extent 87%, decomposition of organic matter in the absence of air, that is anaerobic products contain methane. Methane is present in biogas. It is also found in coal mines. Methane found at surface of marshy places, which is and that's why methane is also called as marsh gas. On heating of a mixture of hydrogen carbon monoxide gases at 300 degrees Celsius in presence of nickel catalyst, methane gas is formed. Okay, once again, how methane gas is formed? When hydrogen and carbon monoxide is heated up to 300 degrees Celsius in the presence of catalyst nickel. Fractional distillation of natural gas gives methane in pure form. These are the occurrence of methane. Okay, where it occurs? It is in biogas, in natural gas, in marshy places, in coal mines, and also by some chemical reactions. Now, the physical properties of methane. Melting point minus 182.5 degrees Celsius, boiling point minus 161.5 degrees Celsius. It is a colorless gas. Density of this liquid methane is less than that of water. Methane is sparingly soluble in water. It is highly soluble in organic सॉल्वेंट. इसका मतलब वो रेयरली वाटर में सोल्यूबल है, लेकिन हाईली वो ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट में सोल्यूबल है. एंड when it's soluble in organic solvent like gasoline, ether and alcohol. These are some organic solvent where methane is soluble. Methane is in gaseous state at room temperature. Okay, next, chemical properties of methane. First we will study what is methane, then their occurrence of methane, then physical properties of methane. Now we will see the chemical properties of methane. See, student, the methane is highly inflammable. It burns by reacting with oxygen to give blushy flame. In this reaction, 213 kilocalorie per mole of heat is given out. Methane burns completely. Therefore, it is used as a fuel. Okay, this is the given the chemical reaction of methane when it burns. That is CH4. Burning means reaction with oxygen, that is 2O2, and it gives CO2 plus H2O plus heat. Next, that is chlorination. Methane and chlorine gases react each other at temperature 250 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius in the presence of ultraviolet light and form mainly methyl chloride, that is chloromethane, and hydrogen chloride. This reaction is called chlorination of methane. See this reaction, CH4 plus Cl2 in the presence of light, that is ultraviolet light, it gives CH3Cl plus CHCl, that is methane chloride, methyl chloride, chloromethane, and HCl. Okay, hydrogen chloride. These are the chemical properties of methane. Now see the uses of methane. Methane in the form of natural gas, it means it is used as a fuel. In also it is used in such industries like fabric mills, paper mills, and food processing industries. Okay, also it is used in petrol purification. Being the smallest hydrocarbon, it is one of the smallest hydrocarbon in hydrocarbon series. Okay, that alkane series, methane, ethane, butane, propane, pentane. In this, methane is the smallest one. The proportion of CO2 release in the combustion of methane is small, and therefore it is used as a domestic fuel, because when it burn it gives less CO2 as compared to other hydrocarbon, and that's why it is used as a domestic fuel. Methane is used for production of organic compounds such as ethanol, methyl chloride, methylene chloride, and acetylene. These are some uses of methane. Okay, Student, next here given some bio information about biogas plant. Okay, you know that in biogas plant it is used to production of gas, that is especially methane gas. Okay, animal dung, dry leaves, wet garbage, then these all compounds are decomposed anaerobically. Anaerobic means in absence of oxygen. Okay, you studied that there is two type of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Anaerobic means in absence of oxygen. These microbes in a biogas plant, this produce methane gas, or methane gas is also called as biogas. Okay, biogas is very cheap fuel. Cheap means sasta fuel. Okay, the option which meet the demands for cooking gas, it also used for production of an electricity. Biogas contain about 55% to 60% methane and the rest of carbon dioxide. Biogas is a fuel which convenient to use, and in addition to this, a very good manure is also produced as a side product of the process. Biogas production process, the production of acid and methane gas. The microbes acts on biodegradable complex organic compound and produce organic acids. Okay, biogas, this is the, see the plant biogas where two tanks are there. Okay, one big tank where the exit gas pipe is there, and in this there is a mixture of slurry means mixture of cow dung and water. Okay, which mix and decomposed by the help of an anaerobic microbes. Next, the methane gas, the production. The methanogenic bacteria act on organic acid to produce methane gas. Here is given the reaction, that is CH3COOH, which gives CH4 plus CO2. Okay, this is the about biogas and methane. Student, here your lesson is over. Okay, the small portion of this lesson is over and you have to complete exercise. If any doubt is there, you can ask me or you can ask that question. Okay, today we will see the next lesson. The small portion of the previous lesson that we finished, that is about the information regarding with methane, chemical properties, physical properties, occurrence and the uses. Okay, now we will see such a topic which is very important in our day to day life, that is substance in common use. Some